Today, I'm going to walk you through a quick and clear tutorial on how to disable your ad blocker in Google Chrome. If you've ever run into issues with some websites not displaying properly, or you want to support your favorite creators by allowing their ads, disabling ad blocker is an essential skill to have. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to turn your ad blocker off, and a couple of bonus tips for keeping your browser tidy. Let's dive right in. First things first, go ahead and open your Google Chrome browser. You can find this in your taskbar or your start menu, whatever's easiest for you. If Chrome's already open, great. Just make sure you're on the main window, not in incognito mode, so everything works as expected. Now, up at the top right corner of your Chrome window, you'll see a small puzzle piece icon. This is the Extensions button, and sometimes you might see a little symbol that looks like a stack of squares instead. Either way, it's usually right beside your profile picture. Click that puzzle piece. This is how Chrome keeps all your extensions organized. After you click the icon, you'll see a list of all the extensions you've installed. Some people have just a couple, and others have a whole list. To get a closer look at these and to adjust their settings, go ahead and select Manage Extensions from the drop-down menu. Clicking this will take you to a new tab, where Chrome lists out each extension with its own little card. This area is sort of like your control panel for browser add-ons. If you've ever wondered what's running behind the scenes when you're browsing, this is where you find out. Now, let's focus on disabling your ad blocker. Look through your list until you find the Adblocker extension. Popular names include Adblock, Adblock Plus, or even uBlock Origin. Don't worry if you're not sure what you're looking for. They'll usually have the word add or block in the name, and an icon that looks like a stop sign or a shield. When you find it, you'll notice a little toggle switch on the lower right corner of its card. Go ahead and click that toggle. Once it slides to the left and turns gray, that means the extension is now disabled. Just one click. Super easy. Disabling your ad blocker isn't just about letting ads through. It's actually helpful if a website isn't functioning properly, or if you want to access content that's hidden behind an ad wall. Don't worry. You can always re-enable it later if you decide you want those ads blocked again. There's one more step to keep things neat. Click the Puzzle Piece Extensions button up in your browser again. You'll see a little pin icon next to each extension name. If the ad blocker was pinned before, just tap the pin and it should unpin, which means it'll disappear from the top bar. This makes your browsing space less cluttered and helps you know which tools you're actually using. Think of this step like tidying up your desktop, removing things you don't need right now, but keeping them handy just in case. And that's all there is to it. You've now disabled ad blocker and even cleaned up your browser a little along the way. If you ever need to turn it back on, just repeat these steps and toggle it back to on. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please hit that like button. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or want tips for other Chrome extensions. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. See you next time.